Here's another rescued bird from entanglement dun sa dun sa sanga or sa vines, no? So naipit yung paa niya at kinuha natin. This is tiny, maliit pa lang tong Eurasian tree sparrow or Maya bird kung tawagin dito sa amin sa Pilipinas, no? Okay, so this is common bird, invasive species, pero wild bird siya, no? So birds are meant to be freed kapag sila ay na-rescue. So papakawalan natin ito ngayon. Ito na, paliliparin natin. Alright, here goes. Bye bye bird. There you go. Mukhang napilayan niya, pero hindi naman. Mukhang nanghihina lang siya, no? Go, go, go. Okay, so I think he's hurt, pero nakakalipit naman siya. Yun. Yan na. So there you go, guys. Isa na namang ibon ating na-rescue. Until next time, bye bye.